Hurricane Idalia left a trail of destruction across Florida's Big Bend region. The storm caused billions of dollars in damage, leaving many communities in ruins. Homes were destroyed, businesses were flooded, and power outages affected hundreds of thousands. Coastal areas bore the brunt of the storm's fury, with floodwaters surging inland, engulfing homes and businesses. The storm's high winds ripped roofs off buildings, toppled trees, and tossed debris through the streets. Heavy rainfall caused widespread flooding inland, inundating homes and businesses miles from the shoreline. Rivers and streams overflowed their banks, turning roads into raging torrents. The storm's powerful winds knocked down power lines, leaving hundreds of thousands of people without electricity. Homes were reduced to rubble, their contents scattered amidst the debris. Businesses that had stood for generations were destroyed, their livelihoods washed away by the floodwaters. Idalia's rapid intensification into a major hurricane took many by surprise. The storm's path and intensity were influenced by warm ocean waters and favorable atmospheric conditions. As Idalia moved over the Gulf of Mexico, it encountered a region of exceptionally warm water, which acted as fuel for the storm's engine. As the storm churned over the open water, its wind speeds increased dramatically, transforming it from a tropical storm into a major hurricane in a matter of hours. The storm's path took it directly towards Florida's Big Bend region, an area particularly vulnerable to storm surge due to its shallow coastline and the shape of the Gulf of Mexico. The combination of high winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surge proved to be a devastating combination for the Big Bend region. In the wake of Hurricane Idalia, stories of loss and resilience emerged from the debris. Residents shared their experiences, their voices filled with grief and determination. Emergency responders worked tirelessly to rescue those stranded and provide aid.
"I don't know where to go, what to do," she said, her voice trembling. "But I have to stay strong for my children. We will get through this."
These stories highlight the challenges faced by those impacted by the storm and the unwavering spirit of those working to rebuild their lives and communities. The road to recovery from Hurricane Idalia will be long and arduous, but amidst the devastation, there is hope.
Communities are coming together, supporting one another, and beginning the difficult task of rebuilding. Government agencies and relief organisations are providing assistance, offering a lifeline to those in need. Roads and bridges need to be repaired, power lines restored, and debris cleared.
The economic impact of Hurricane Idalia will be significant, particularly for businesses forced to close.
Despite the enormity of the challenges, there is a sense of hope and resilience in the air. Communities are coming together to support one another, sharing resources and offering a helping hand. In the face of such immense challenges, unity and support are more important than ever.
The impacts of Hurricane Idalia remind us of our shared vulnerability and the strength we find in coming together.
It's clear that the road ahead will be tough, but with collective effort and unwavering support, recovery is within reach. Every small act of kindness, every bit of help makes a significant difference in rebuilding lives and communities.
We must continue to support each other, advocate for necessary resources, and remain resilient in the face of adversity.
As we move forward, let's remember that our unity and support are the foundations upon which we will rebuild and thrive once more.